Alright, this is T-Mike down here in South Louisiana on a beautiful day in early May. I'm out here this morning running restore number 81. It's a 1968 Johnson 9.5 horsepower MQ-14. This motor is sent to me by a customer named Mike out in California. This is the second motor I do for Mike. I've done the complete restore on it. Completely taken apart, carb job, rebuilt the ignition magneto, rebuilt the carburetor, impeller, paint, decal, the whole works. So this is going to be a warm start. I've been running it, pushing my John boat down the bayou here, about 20 miles an hour. I'm going to take her to the run towards the bridge. Let's see how she starts. As you can see, she's a beauty. Don't do what I did and start it in gear. Yeah, she's a great motor. It was in really good shape when I got it, and it's running great now. So I'll be shipping it to California probably tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!